Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you are logged in and have the order ID visible because you will need it in the next screens. Open the Gaana app, tap the menu, then choose My Trades or Orders. This brings up active transactions. Once done, scan the list for the specific trade. It's faster if you already noted the timestamp or payment method. This step avoids mistaken cancellations and speeds the entire process. You now open the trade detail view and inspect the status. You want to confirm it is still cancelable. Next, tap Cancel or Request Cancellation. The app shows a confirmation dialog explaining fees or time limits, so read it. If prompted, enter a concise reason. This helps support triage, and then confirm the action. Make sure you watch for an immediate success message or a pending status. That tells you whether the cancellation proceeded or needs follow-up. You finish by verifying the cancellation. Look for an in-app notification or email that includes a reference number, because that proves completion. If the trade remains pending, contact Gaana support directly and provide the order ID plus screenshots to speed resolution. Also, make sure you understand refund timing, different payment methods clear at different speeds, and monitor your account for the expected 310 business day window so you know when to escalate if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.